mighty fortress, city of refuge. You are the rock and the mighty fortress, our city of safety. You are the tower of strength, repair. You are the tower of strength and peace, the repairer of the breach. You are the rock and the mighty fortress, stone mountain, a living fountain. You overflow me, broken only. You are the rock and you are the city of refuge, the city of safety. You are the rock and the mighty fortress, tower of strength and peace. You are the rock and the mighty fortress, the repairer of the breach. Today is the day of salvation, we cry. Don't let it pass by, don't let it pass by. Today is the day that you hear his voice. It is your choice, yes, it is your choice. Stone mountain, living fountain, overflow me, broken only. Today is the day of salvation, my friend. Choose Christ today.